Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the two platforms that you could use to become financially independent and start your dropshipping business. Now obviously there's so many elements that are available, and obviously there's so many platforms that are available as well, but which one you should be using to start your journey. And obviously we're going to look at that element in today's video, so stick around till the end to find out exactly what you need to know and how you need to implement the different strategies that we're going to talk about to ensure that you can start a successful dropshipping business. Now, the first website that we're going to look at is Shopify.com. This is the global commerce platform that you can build your business and you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. Now, one of the major reasons why I absolutely love this platform is the reason there's millions of entrepreneurs that are chosen Shopify to build their business. That means there are millions of different reasons and opportunities that we have to learn from all these individuals. And what we have done is that we've gone into great detail and research and found out exactly what was the strategies that these successful entrepreneurs used to scale their business to become financially independent and the mistakes that they made along the way, and so we could learn from those mistakes and not repeat them. And that is the reason why we have brought these videos to you. So if you haven't checked our videos out, head over to our channel and check them out. And they're available in 170 countries with a 10% of the total US e-commerce and a global economic activity of $444 billion. That literally means that if we can actually be able to get 0.01% of the $444 billion, we're set for life, guys. And obviously, when we combine all those elements together, we can look at the creators, the developers, the partners, and the enterprise as well. And the best thing is that your store is in your hand, so you can bring your vision to life with a simple drag and drop store creators. There's no coding expertise required at all. That literally means that you don't need to hire a front-end developer or a back-end developer. You don't need to get a UI or UX individuals. Everything that you require is going to be available to you on Shopify, and you can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers, and you can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify builders. And more than that, guys, you can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integration. And guys, at the end of the day, we live in a global world. We live in a digital world. We live in the world where the internet has taken over everything. We can reach individuals from the comfort of our homes if they're living in Australia, in the US, in Canada, Argentina, Mexico, even in Russia or the UK, or even in Ireland or Iceland as well. And obviously, when you're able to reach the global audience from the comfort of your homes, that is a time and period where you can sell anything and everything to every single individual. It has the best converting checkout on the planet, and more than that, it has a flexible point of sale to power the retail store. It can reach new audience and engage with customers, and you can build on the data. Like back in the day when we looked at the fact that gold was the main commodity available and everyone was trying to reach gold and get gold and sell gold and trade in gold. Then came oil, and oil became the big thing that was running the world economies. Now in today's time, with Google and Facebook and these massive organizations that exist, data has become the main commodity. The more data that you have, the better you can mine that data, the better resources you can develop based on that data, and better sales that you can achieve with that data is the reason why data has become a commodity that can give you a lot of value. To understand how to use that data is crucial, and that is something that you can do on Shopify. You can oversee your operations, fulfill every order, and manage your money where you make it. And if you don't have an account, don't worry, guys. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days. Or you can always click on start the free trial and you'll be taken to the next page. Over here, you'll be asked a couple of questions which are very simple. For example, which of these best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling on person? We're going to say we're just starting. And the next question is going to be that where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website or blog, the social media, online marketplaces, in person, or you're not sure? We're going to go with the online store to create a fully customizable website. Then you're going to ask you a question that what do you plan to sell? Is it dropshipping product? Is it digital product? Is it services? Is it print on demand? Is it products that you want to buy or make yourself? We're going to go with dropshipping products. And then the most important question comes is that what is the name of your store it's going to be? We're going to skip this for now, but please make sure that you actually select the name that really reflects your organization and your business. The last element is going to be that you have to select a Shopify ID. You can continue with your email, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Gmail. And obviously, as you click on your Gmail, they're going to take all the information and you're going to land on your dashboard. Now, once you land on the dashboard, you have to pick a plan and just click pick a plan, and you're going to get an option of selecting one out of these three plans. It could be the basic for $1 $41 for the first 3 months. It could be the Shopify for $49 per month. It could be the Advanced for $299 per month. You can pay yearly, and if the first year you want to go for, you'll save 10%, 2 years you'll save 20%, and 3 years you're going to save 25%. So after you've selected it, then you'll be able to start selling on Shopify and become independent. The second place that you can go is Godaddy.com. Now Godaddy.com is basically a place where you can get a domain and then get connected with your WordPress and start selling online and making different elements. It's been trusted by 21 million customers around the world, guys, and obviously you can build on your success. Everyone has an email, and that doesn't mean that all emails is the same. Customers are 9 times more likely to choose a business with a professional address. You get a professional email, you get protected all your data and your customers with the SSL certificate, and obviously that protects the data going into and from your site, and from personal information to credit card numbers. And when the visitor feels safe, when your audience feels safe, when your customer feels safe, they're more likely to give you their business. It is fast, it is secure, and it's always online. And that is the reason why I always mention individuals to go with GoDaddy, because GoDaddy has all the powerful elements available. But start with Shopify and then convert to GoDaddy. You have different websites and hostings that are available. You have the WordPress hosting, and there's so many themes that are available on WordPress that you can easily get a fully manageable, reliable, up-to-date, pre-extensions and plugins and themes. And everything starts at the basic at $8.99 per month, or you can go for the deluxe at $11.99 per month, or you can go for the ultimate for $18.99 per month, or you can go for a full e-commerce to get a fully featured online store with a fast setup for $20.99 per month. And obviously I would recommend for you to go for the WooCommerce one, because if you're starting a dropshipping site, you need to make sure that you get all those elements that are going to be available. You get one website, 80 GB of SSD support, 24 hours malware scans and removals, free professional emails, free SSL certificate, free domain, and a website protection backup for 1 year, and one-click testing website with unlimited products and appointment scheduling and real-time shipping rates. And you get a free access to the top premium WooCommerce extensions, a value that's nearly $6,000. You get all of that, guys, for a simple $20.99 per month, and you can save 16% on an annual term as well, and you just pay $251.88. And obviously once you click on buy, you'll be able to start the journey of becoming a successful dropshipper. You get so many hosting benefits with WordPress as well, and you can manage everything from the element of your dashboard. And there's no volatile memory express and solid data drives either, an Object Cache Pro, and a global content delivery network that's going to be available. You get 24 hours malware scans, which is very crucial, guys, and you get different themes that are available, and you can easily click on explore the themes and look at all the amazing free themes that are going to be available that you can select and start your dropshipping business. Because at the end of the day, one of the most important elements is getting the elements right, and that is the reason why I always mention to individuals to select a theme that really stands out. And with WordPress, there's so many options to select from, so let's go ahead and check this particular theme over here. Just click on preview, and obviously you can get this completely free and start your journey as an independent dropshipper, a business, an organization, or even an enterprise. So guys, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.